Hello everyone, welcome to the SQRT channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a problem that we got from Korean Math Olympiad from 27. In this problem, we have z to the power of 2007 is equal to 1, and we know that z has complex roots. Additionally, z to the power of n is not equal to 1 for any integer value that we have here for n greater than or equal to 1 and less than 2007. With all these, we want to evaluate the equation that you are seeing here. Before moving forward to talk about the solution, make sure that you pause the video to think about this problem. To solve this problem, let's start with the assumption that we had. We know z to the power of 2007 is equal to 1. So we can write it as 1 minus z to the power of 2007 is equal to 0. Now remember, based on the question that we have here, we are interested in 1 plus z to the power of I plus z to the power of 2 times I, for I equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 2006. As a result, we are going to use an identity here. Remember, 1 minus z to the power of 3 over 1 minus z is equal to 1 plus z squared. So we are going to use it and simplify the original equation that we had before. We had 1 minus z to the power of 2007 is equal to 0. 2007 can be divided by 3. Actually, it is 669 times 3. So we can write the equation as 1 minus z to the power of 669 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. So we can write it as 1 minus z to the power of 669 times 1 plus z to the power of 669 plus z to the power of 2 times 669 is equal to 0. Now let's review the problem that we had again. We had z to the power of 2007 is equal to 1. We also know that z to the power of n is not equal to 1 for n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 2007. So we have a product of two terms, and we know that the first term, which is 1 minus z to the power of 669, cannot be 0 because z to the power of 669 cannot be equal to 1. We had this from the problem. So the second term, which is 1 plus z to the power of 669 plus z to the power of 2 times 669 should be equal to 0. From here, it's going to be very interesting. We have a product of many terms. One of the terms that we have here is actually 1 plus z to the power of 669 plus z to the power of 2 times 669. And we found that this term is going to be 0. So the product of all these terms are going to be 0 after all. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles and math involved activities, please subscribe to the channel. This is the SQRT channel.